actually doing an oil change. So the tools we need are a funnel, towel, OW20 synthetic oil, 5 quarts of this, an oil filter, crush washer, oil filter socket, a 17mm socket, a ratchet wrench, a drain pan, and some gloves. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove the oil fill cap. And by doing this, it helps drain the oil faster. So I need to remove this bolt out. It's a 17mm. You have a drain pan to catch the oil because it's gonna start shooting out like this direction, and it might drip a little bit as you loosen it up. Pull it towards me, it's stuck. If I pull it towards me.
Use some force.
Ooh.
Yeah, see?
Oh gosh. I'm gonna let the oil drain for 5 to 10 minutes. And while I'm letting it drain, I'm gonna be changing the oil filter. So we're gonna be removing the oil filter with the oil filter socket. I'm gonna attach it.
Pretty soon the oil's gonna come out. There it is. There it is.
It's so slippery. I didn't know that.
It's long. Oh gosh.
Okay, so I just wanted to address what happened. When you're taking out the oil filter, be ready to catch it. So what I was doing is when I was turning it, I was using both hands turning it, and that's how it slipped and fell. So you need to take out the crush washer, the old crush washer from the drain bolt. See, I took it out. This is the old one. And you need to put the new one that came with this earlier. The reason why you put a new one is so the oil won't leak. This is a new OEM Honda oil filter. I'm cleaning the engine oil that's dripping from there. Is there some here too? There's a lot. I'm gonna be putting the oil filter in the stud, and I'm gonna try to tighten it by hand first. This is what I was doing earlier, but the other way, and it fell. Now I'm gonna be using this to tighten it. I'm gonna do tight and then a quarter turn. Whoop. A little more. So I'm gonna be putting this in and tightening it with 30 foot-pound of torque. This is hard so.
Okay.
Well, no, I think it's tight already. So we're gonna be filling the engine with 3.7 quarts of engine oil. So I'm gonna try to do it slowly into the funnel over here. So the last thing we're gonna be doing is screwing in or closing it with our oil fill cap. What we're gonna do now is take the car off the ramps. Then we're gonna check the oil level when the car is actually uneven or leveled ground. I don't have a key. Is I took out the dipstick, cleaned it first, and now I'm gonna be putting it back in so we can check the level of the oil. Pull it out. I can't really see it. There it is. That's better. It's hard to capture it on the camera, but it is like in the middle. Now we're gonna reset the maintenance reminder. So first we need to go to settings, vehicle, scroll down and go to maintenance info. Select reset items, all due items, and then reset the oil life 30%. So from here I press this button and you can see how much oil life we have. 100%! Yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed our DIY featuring me doing the oil change. A little embarrassing earlier, but I hope you guys find this useful. I mean, I learned something, you know, put your hand under and turn it. Don't just turn with two hands, and so it wouldn't spill on you. If you are new here, I hope you can subscribe and join our channel. As you can see, we do DIYs. We're hubby and wifey car enthusiasts. Sal runs the YouTube channel, and I'm the one that runs the Instagram, and our Instagram is called Cars with Ellie. And help us grow and get 2,000 subscribers. We're so close. But yeah, I hope you guys like our channel. Subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and comment down below what you thought of this video and what other DIYs we can do. Bye.
Go ahead and start wrenching it.
Is it to the left or to the right?
Towards me. Oh, but make sure that this is in here so you don't
This is
strip it.
hard.
It's okay.
I'm like pulling a muscle because it's so cramped here. I don't even know if I'm going. This is hard, so I'm gonna be tightening it. God.
I couldn't stop after, sorry.
Whatever, I don't know. Tightening.
Okay, here, I'll say it one more time.
Can you just say it?
I'm gonna tighten this to 30 foot-pounds of torque.
I'm gonna be tightening.